What's the meaning of Brazilian wax? Brazilian wax. Brazilian wax.
Brazilian wax. Brazilian wax. Brazilian wax is a type of hair removal treatment that involves the removal of pubic hair from the genital and anal areas using hot wax. The wax is applied to the hair and then quickly pulled off, removing the hair from its roots. This results in the complete removal of all pubic hair, leaving the area completely smooth and hair-free. Brazilian waxing can be a painful and uncomfortable process, but it is a popular choice for those who want to achieve a clean and hairless look in the intimate areas. It is commonly done before wearing revealing clothing or for hygiene purposes.